Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're talking about one of the biggest airdrop opportunities for you to get a boatload of cash right now. Yes, you've heard that right. Of course guys, this is from Fartcoin, none other project that is giving away more than $5,000 in airdrop opportunity. This is super easy to claim, and all you have to do is go to the official site register-fartcoin.net. That's register-fartcoin.net. If you're not sure, check out the description below because I will have it linked down, so go check it out right now. Now guys, Fartcoin went absolutely insane in the last year. Yes, the name sounds silly, but this was actually one of the best AI agent-run projects that took this coin from absolutely zero to over billions in the span of a very, very short time. And when we look at this chart, absolutely amazing guys. Look how well it's been consolidating. It does show a lot of signs that it is still very much alive and a huge contender for the cycle to be a top 10 meme. Now, at only $200 million in market cap, guys, I cannot explain to you the opportunity that is in there right now. A lot of people full ported at the top, and yes, they are down quite significantly, even though I do think we are going to reach all-time highs again. For you to get in now means you can essentially do a 10x before we even get back to that all-time high. Absolutely insane. That is where life-changing money is made. I do definitely agree with the fact that Fartcoin captured billions in the market cap by being a right cultural symbol on the Solana network. And like I said, we are not over and done with in Solana. Now guys, back to this airdrop. All you have to do is go to claim airdrop, and it'll link you to a page where you can connect the wallets that you've been using to trade memes or Solana projects. Now, for most of you, it would be Soulflare, Phantom, or Jupiter, but I do want to mention that a lot of people are not aware that you can claim this airdrop with multiple wallets. So if you've been using multiple wallets or multiple Phantom wallets, for example, then make sure you're connected with every single wallet, because you could be eligible for every single purchase, and a lot of people do not know that. Now guys, like I said, these airdrops are phenomenal ways to make money. In 2026, we've seen so many people get so rich. In 2025, and this is just the beginning, since a lot of projects are, like I said, basically bottomed out. You getting in now gives you so much more upside potential than people who got in here, even if they claimed an airdrop worth here. And also guys, I want to mention that of course airdrops do not need to be held. You can turn out and sell it immediately. We've seen a huge space in the meme space recently, with airdrops making a lot of people money and pushing projects to a new level as well. So I definitely think it's possible for a project like Fartcoin. Not only that guys, but the market over in general is looking really bullish. We've seen Bitcoin be in the late 70s, heading its way to the 80k mark again, as well as the fear and greed index finally at neutral, and us heading of course closer to the altcoin indicator. So lots coming up in the next few months. I do think we might have a good rally before the summer, where we usually tend to slow down. Macro factors are subsiding and people are getting more bullish for the market again. So this is the opportunity. Make sure you go claim this airdrop. You do not want to miss out. And I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.